Hey, bud. Happy Thursday. How you doing? Hey, guys, and happy Thursday. Get my day started at Muller's Bakery. And got some envelopes mailed out, all of them. I think I had like 4. They all got mailed out. It cost me a pretty penny, but you guys are worth it. And some of you are gonna get, most of you are gonna get your packages either Monday or Tuesday, okay? Yeah. Check out all these geese on the Bay Head Yacht Club field. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, not too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Trishy can count. Yay. A very foggy Thursday evening at the Jersey Shore. Breaking news. We have special coverage of a awesome occurrence here at the Jersey Shore. Going live, we go to our friend Trish Mullins, located somewhere live in the Jersey Shore. Trish, what can you tell us? Well, hi there. This is Trish Mullins coming at you live from somewhere in the Jersey Shore. Today, something awesome happened. Oh yes. 2 days ago, I requested a few groceries for my sister to pick up, as she does when I request it. And we are here live in the kitchen somewhere in the Jersey Shore. First up, we have multiple rows of Stouffer's dinners, and for dessert, which may last us 2 to 3 days away, I have an appetite, is Friendly's Vanilla Ice Cream. What else happened today? Yes, but wait, there's more. There's ketchup, there's milk, the whites and vanilla, I bought that. We also have a healthy amount of Chobani yogurt and Pepsi. And yes, we have ketchup and mayo. Back to you in the studio. Well, thank you. Oh, wait, I'm not in the studio. I'm playing the reporter and myself. I have a dual role. Oh, my goodness. This reporter might be multi-talented? Oh, back to you in the studio. Well, thank you, Trish. And now the weather. It is foggy and dark, as it is about 8-9 o'clock. Yes. That concludes our report, as our studio staff must do some window cleaning on the next nice day. This is your reporter from WTRM News, signing off from somewhere in the Jersey Shore. We now go back to our regular broadcasting show. Hello everybody, and happy Saturday. Having love sandwich at Dave's Bagels before I go on my next adventure. So please stay tuned. There's more to come. There are many flavors of bagels. These have got like cream cheeses, and they got meats. Hey guys, well, it's a beautiful Saturday here at the Jersey Shore, and I'm going to be showing you some of these sidewalk sale stuff. As if people would give me the dirty, the stink eye. Alright, hold on. I gotta get a better grip, guys. There we go.
I was actually just.
How to hold the camera, the bike, and watch where I'm going. I'm doing it. Not getting the best of content, I'm sure, but. Yeah. I'm doing my best. I'm doing the best I can. Oh wait. Hold on.
I saw that Friday night.
Hi. So it's a beautiful day. The last 2 days have been rotters, weather-wise. Right.
He was doing stuff when I was Apple. She like still be liking all my stuff. Yeah.
I thought the antique mall would have a ton of stuff out. And maybe they did. And maybe they do. Look at that. And maybe they do. Oh, look at that. You guys remember those? TV Guide? Wow. They don't do those anymore. No TV Guide for you. Do not open over 40 records. Oh. KFF 40? Oh. That's $1 a piece, eh? Wow. 30% off this table. Johnny Cash, Shirley Bassey. So that thing of records is $40, and there's 40 records. That's $1 per record. But, right? Am I right on that? But they're not, I can't see them, you can't open them, and if they're in lousy shape, shall I say, you know, I'd rather see something I can judge whether it's worth even buying, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna cross the street and check out Ocean County Music. Stay tuned, there's more to come. That's right. I don't know why, but my dad used to say, if you watch where you're going, you won't have a problem. Of course, that's the edited version. The real version is, if you watch where you're going, you won't have a damn problem. But there's kids here, so you gotta watch my friends. Capiche? Alright, I'm gonna go see if Vinny's available for me to give him a gift. But first. Uh-oh. I'll be right back. Alright guys, mission accomplished. Vinny got his mix. Look at this, guys. Instruments as far as the eye can see. Yes, sir. Or ma'am. This is where it all goes down, baby. Whoa, dang. Went from concrete to the rug. Nearly literally tripped me up. $45, $4.99 each. May have to take a look. I'm bad, I know, I'm bad. But they're not for me, guys. They're for a gift. Compact is $5 each. Trish, don't do it. I've got to look. Oh, Trisha, you are bad girl. I know. It's how I roll. Alright guys, I am back. I bought a few 45s for a friend. I won't say who, so it's a surprise. I can walk around a little bit, show you guys what's what. Oh, look at this. Do a little flip in. I have that on CD. Good stuff. You talk about soul. Holy smokes. Stevie Wonder is the man. He's a legend. There's Bruce. Ooh, is this a new one? Is this like the box set? How's that bought? Oh, it's the River Collection. Okay. I might have that on. Oh, look at this. Here's another great album. Some of you may not have agree with that, but that's okay. As Bob Marley Legend, the album that got me hooked on reggae, I heard that and I said, I got more of this. Is ELO. I have that on CD, as you guys know. And there is a legendary Pink Floyd. All right. And look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness, is that too cool? All right, time to take a walk on this side of town. All right, we're gonna go this way. Hey, how's it going, man?
How are you doing? Nice.
Good to see you. Shoop-a-dee-doo-ah. That was Mike. He probably went to get a coffee or a bite to eat. Oh, look at this. People checking out some clothes.
Like,
I have enough clothes to, although they probably have good work clothes, but I'm a retired woman now. Oh. Okay. Alright. What's that saying? If you watch where you're going. Holy smokes. This used to be a clothing store of sorts, right? Or bathing suit store. Ladies something. What was it? Ladies fashions. But ladies fashions are maybe the building's just being worked on. Yeah, that's it. Worked on. And a shout out to Carla and James for inspiring me to do this. I was planning on doing this week. I just, I think this building's being worked on too. What was here? What the heck was here? Oh, Memorial Day Bike Parade. That's next Saturday. I'm going to have a gig next Saturday, guys, by the way. At Burke's. Yep. Alright. Sad, so many of these businesses are closed. How many times did it take to say that? I tell you what. Oh, here's some beautiful flowers. Interesting. I've never seen black, what they call it, the center of the flower, what they call that. It's, you guys can tell me in the comments. Here's some nice flowers. Alright, here's some clothes. Right, we can go right up there and then we can turn tail and head home. Head back, rather, I should say. And this place always has some interesting items. Okay. Oh, yeah, I watch here because one time I was walking here and someone came zipping out. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Look at that Beach Bum Boulevard. I like that. Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna head back. There's Deanna's. Some of the stuff in there is interesting to see to put it nicely. Oh, look at the window. Look at the cool display in the window. That place by the boardwalk where they sell the shell, beachy things, the shells and stuff, the nautical things, down by the boardwalk there. I wanted to film, when was that, last week? The woman said no, so, you know, I had to respect that, you know. She was keeping an eye on me too. I gave her a sticker and said, you know, you can check out my channel. Kind of to let her know I'm legit. I'm not one of these people, you know, casing the joint to come back later to rob it. I was raised better than that. I was raised better than that. Oh, when's this? The ultimate car show. The ultimate car show. If anybody sat here just you know, check out the comfortability and just falling asleep. Wouldn't that be funny? Maybe not. Alright guys, well I'm gonna pay attention here, head back to my bike, and I'll see you all later. Oh, they always hide. Oh, look. Look, guys, look. Wildlife shots. I thought my luck today, as far as wildlife shots, will give me nothing. But my luck has turned, hasn't it? Oh, look at this. Not only do I get ducks, I get a mourning dove too. I get ducks, a pair of mallards, and a mourning dove. How lucky am I? Yeah, this mourning dove, like, yo. Leave me some grass, eh, you guys, eh? Look at this, guys. Wildlife City over here. Oh, holy moly. How lucky am I? Good Lord. Oh, man. This bird's like ain't nobody coming near this bird's feeder till I'm done. Blackbird's like, still my turn, bud. Hi guys, how are you? Well, today I took you around the sidewalk sale. It was Thursday, yesterday. I think Thursday, yesterday, today, and tomorrow. I saw a box of that box of CDs for $40, but I'm not gonna buy it and then discover half of them are, you know, scratched to heck, you know. I'm not gonna, just buy it, and trust that they're scratched to heck. I bought 8 records for, $5, and I was able to see that they were in good shape. Ocean County Music, I pay a little more than I do at Clarisio, but I'd rather support, Ocean County Music than the people that spot across the street with a box of 45s. So I don't know what the condition then. At least I know I can go through Ocean County Music's 45s and see which ones are in good shape. The labels on some of these are jacked up, but as far as the vinyl is concerned, it's in good shape. I had to put some back because some of them were, in iffy shape. I don't know who I'm giving them to yet. I'm not going to keep them. I don't have a player, so I'm going to send them to someone awesome. And I have a few ideas. I just sent Tink some, and she was happy with them. And then she got boatloads from Craig, so I was happy about that. Then on the way home, I had some kind of epic wildlife shots at that one person's bird feeder. I didn't know what was going on. I'm like, oh, that person has a bird feeder. We can get some shots of that. But I had to come home and run to the bathroom, and yeah. I pulled in the driveway, and the minute I got in the house, my bladder says, oh, Trish. Yeah, so it was a good day. When was it? Last night or the night before, I was being a little silly with the breaking news stuff. I wasn't drunk or anything. I was just being silly. So I got some wildlife shots, some shots of the sidewalk sale rather, and it was a good day. It's hard to hold the bike and hold the camera. That's like it. A lot of times the camera started veering towards the handlebars. I had to stop because people coming at me. I knew people were behind me. I'm like, oh my goodness. But that's why I walk the bike, because it was a busy day. I know some of these guys like to zip down the sidewalk and the bikes and the e-bikes, and I don't do that. I learned my lesson many years ago when I was riding my bike on the sidewalk, and this woman walked out of a store, walked right into me, and oh man, my knee was jacked up, my elbow was jacked up, oh man, it was something else. Oh golly. But it was a beautiful, beautiful day today. Oh my goodness, it's funny. I burned a few CDs for a few people, and everybody got their CD that I intended to give. Yeah, so that's it. Let's see, shout outs to to Barefoot Realty and Shore Bikes. The guy, oh my God, I'm having a brain cramp. Oh my gosh, I'm having a brain cramp. I know it's not Brian. Anyway, the gentleman at Shore Bikes gave me a license, like a Shore Bikes license plate for my bike and put it on, and this is sweet over there, and I gave them a mix, and and what else? My Dancing in the Dunes mix. I didn't hand out the Sure Thing mix yet. I'll be doing that this week. I got a few stickers too, so that's that, guys. I hope you had an awesome day. I also saw George, but he was giving a friend of his his wetsuit dryer. He has like this wetsuit dryer contraption that I made up, and he had it at not Eric's but another board swap and a shop rather, and I guess they weren't using it much, so Eric gave it to a friend of his. Boy, I am blanking out today on names, my goodness. And tomorrow morning, Chip and I are gonna meet up for breakfast and basically catch up. And I gotta remember if he's available. I gotta remember to ask him if he's available to roadie next week. All right, guys, so this is your old pal Trish. Sign off, saying peace, love, and keep the good tunes spinning. I love and appreciate you all. Remember, live with a purpose and walk with a smile. Take care, and I will see you soon.